request all the judges to join us on stage.
Wasn't it a wonderful evening for all of you? Most of us were sitting back and enjoying the program, but there were a couple of people in midst of the audience who were enjoying. At the same time, they wanted to make some decisions. I'm sure it was a very tough decision for them because they were all wonderful programs and still, they had to keep the fun part a little bit at a lower level and make their critical views and make the judgment. So I would like to appreciate all the judges who took their time from morning, evening to today and are with us the entire day, dedicating their time, and who all did a wonderful job. So let's appreciate them. Please give a big hand of applause for all our judges. Mrs. Radha Suri, coming from a musical family, had exposure to music from childhood. She had the initial training in Delhi from Sri K.S. Venkataraman, and after the Arangetram at the age of 12, continued under tutelage of Sri O.V. Subramanian. She had the opportunity of learning difficult varnams and ragams from her uncle, who was a composer himself. She was the top 10 to perform for the Yuvavani program conducted by All India Radio Delhi. She was thrice the first prize winner in the music competition conducted by the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, where all the other ministries competed. She has competed in several competitions conducted by various organizations and the AIR New Delhi. She has a bachelor's degree in economics and a master's in music from the University of Delhi. As a master's student in music, she had further advanced training from Sri T.R. Subramanian. After moving to US in 1983, she started her own music school under the banner Eastside School of Music. She has sung for over 40 dance arangetrams in Dallas, San Antonio, and Phoenix. In 2012, she received the Life Achievement Award from Sri Papanasham Shivam Academy, India. Please give a big hand for Srimati Radha Suri.
I just want to say a few words in honor of Swami Vivekananda. In Reach Excellence 2013, Srimati Radhaji has taken leadership of judging, and she was a great guide for us and for all the judges. I really admire her sacrifice. I really appreciate it. Please give her a great applause. Thank you.
V.G. Somanath, a part-time professor at TCC and has great passion for classical Carnatic music. She has learned from several top musicians in India and is a routine performer at the Irving Temple and other concerts and activities around the Dalit Phosphor Metroplex. Under the able guidance of Srimati Lalita Sheshadri, she has participated in several musical events like Tyagaraja Aradhana, Uthakudu Venkatakavi, Annamacharya and Sri Purandaradasa Day. Besides Carnatic music, she has keen interest in Hindustani music and exploring various forms of dance. In her free time, V.G. teaches shlokas and bhajans to children. A big round of applause for V.G. Somanath.
Pujita Kadmi Panisetti, originally from Andhra Pradesh, is an ardent music lover. Besides a BTech and MBA degree holder, she did a diploma in music. She has sung for devotional album named Annamacharya Swaranjali and few other devotional albums in Andhra Pradesh. Pujita has participated in several singing TV shows, worked as an RJ for an year at Radio Taranga, an online internet radio. In Dallas, she has sung for programs and events organized by Tantex. Currently, Pujita is also pursuing MS in Tech Management. Thank you, Pujita.
Soumya Somanath is a 2012 graduate from the University of Texas at Austin with a degree in music. From a young age of 2, she began singing, and at the age of 4, she entered the world of dance. She is trained in Western classical music as well as in Hindustani and Carnatic vocal styles. She is trained in the Indian classical dance style of both Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi and is currently pursuing Kathak as well. She is one of the growing artists and talents of Dallas Fort Worth, and she has assisted today in the judging as well. So thank you, Soumya. We're going to announce the awards, and we'd like to invite Radhaji to announce the winners of this afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati. First of all, before I announce the results for this afternoon sessions, I would really like to thank the organizers for giving this opportunity, even though it was the toughest job of my life. It's very difficult because each child is excellent in her own way. So it was very, very difficult for us to judge and give marks, the scores. They hardly, if your child has won, well and good. If in case they are not winning a prize, don't think they are the losers. No, they are still the winners, because as this morning Mrs. Purnima mentioned, every child who has the courage to step on the stage and perform in front of this huge crowd is a winner. It shows how much self-confidence the children have. And it also shows, this is to the children I'm saying, you all should be thankful, besides God and your Guru, to your parents who have taken all the trouble of taking you, chauffeuring you everywhere to the classes. And every one of you have a hidden talent in you. You have to keep that in mind, practice well, and next year we want to see you a better performer. We want to see you, oh no, they have to be proficient. We have to feel that way. So I know for sure all of you will do that. And now let me do the most difficult job for this evening. And before I do that, I would like to thank in particular Mr. Uday and Mr. Subbu, who had to sit with me for hours explaining me the rules, regulations and all those things. Thank you. And for this afternoon's program, in A400 series, there's only one prize, and the prize goes to A402. From the Grace and Blues Dance School, and the name of the participant is Varsha.
Bashra Harish, Srinija Bura, Neeraja Sethi, Ishita, Mridula, Svetlana, and Isha.
Next,
Please come on the stage, and if the teacher is present, we would like the teacher also to come. Next is B100 group. 3 prizes. The first prize goes to 104. The dance school is Swarlagiri. It's a music school called Swarlagiri, and the participant is Devya Joshi. Devya Joshi, Nitya Lohia, Rohit Parker, Ila Kamath, and Ashwini Ganesh. Can you all clap more, please? The second prize in this group goes to B105. The participants are Shruti Rudravajala, Devi Veerappan, Sanya Pujaganta, Aparna Medrametla, and Neha Kanjula. And the school is Aparna Ramani School of Music, and the teacher is Aparna Ramani, and we request all the winners to come on the stage. The third prize goes to B103. The school is Rama Sangeeta Vidyalaya, and the teacher is Koti Kumita. As I call the names, please come to the stage, and if the teacher is here, please come to the stage. The winners are Vinisha Inaganti, Nidhi Kota, Swapnika Alagiri, Anita Kalahasti, Manona Nuti, Tejaswini Tumru, Kamya Pentakota, Sri Devi Gundimila.
So namaste, I just wanted to say a few words. There were some interruptions in the CDs and MP3s, so please apologize. We apologize for this because of some technical problems. Some MP3 files were not okay, so hope you will understand. It is not intentional at all. We are working for a noble cause. If there are any gaps like that, please do excuse us. It is not meant for anything else. So I hope you'll understand that. Couple of things. I just want to invite Tantex President Suresh Mandava and his team to the stage, please. So Tantex has been a great help for Divine Spark USA in publicizing this event, and also a band of volunteers who came from Tantex. That really helped us put this event together so well. So we have to congratulate and thank them, and also distribute the awards. Also, I want to invite Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh HSS, the crew here, Prashant Patel, Ashish, and one more person. So please do come to the stage also. We want to thank them and congratulate them. In fact, the display they put in the front of Swami Vivekananda and his sayings, those portraits, those were nothing but excellent. And you have to read, you should have read it already. But excellent, those are perfect for this occasion. So anyway, let's continue with the prize distribution. Also, I want to invite JC Plaza TV. They have Sri Krishna Puthapalli to come to the stage, please. Because JC Plaza TV has our media sponsor, and they have recorded the whole video of this whole event, and it's going to be available in the website jcplaza.us, I think. So you can view the whole event on the website. This is a great support for a non-profit organization like this. Without that, we didn't have any arms and legs. This is a great support. Thank you. And one more person I want to invite to the stage is Sri Koti Tumuru. He was our backbone and the greatest support. Although he is so humble, but he was the greatest foundation for making this happen. So I want to invite him also to come to the stage, please. So give him a great applause. Thank you. So let's continue with the award ceremony. I request each of these honorees to deliver and hand over the awards, please. Thank you.
The next group on list is C400 group, and there is only one prize that goes to C401. Very colorful group. A lot of people invested. The participants are Aisha Anandan, Vaishali Pandey, Isha Desai, Ragini Kanduri, Manjira Mishra, Roma Amir, Anjali Patel, Rishi Raina, Banit Saini, Zarina Bula, Amrisa Robinson, Risha Bhuvan, Ashna Lal, Priya Thakkar, Aarti Bope, Ashni Thakkar, Shalini Ramchandran, Alpi Jose, Sahar Singh, Jay Sharma, Prachi Kadin, Mallika Srinivasan, Prachi Srivatsa, Vaishali Pandey, Muskan Jaiswal, and Shani Soha.
Yeah, I would like to congratulate all the winners and also the Divine Sports Association for bringing this such a great event and involving almost 280 or 290 kids. And it's really a great effort, and in memory of Swami Vivekananda ji's 150th anniversary. And we are so happy to be part of this event. Tantex, we participated in we supported the HSS event recently, the Dharma Yoga Fest, and also the second one in a row. Like we're so happy to be part of this such a nice event. And on this occasion, I would like to invite all my Telugu community members on behalf of Tantex. Please excuse the other people, like I would like to invite in Telugu. Telugu varandariki Deepavali Vedikalu manam Tantex vache varam November 17th na Allen Performance Arts Center lo biggest auditorium in the town దాంట్లో జరపబోతున్నాము. మీరందరికీ కూడా ఈ సభాముఖంగా అందరికీ ఆహ్వానం తెలుపుతున్నాము. ఇది దాదాపు 9 మంది ఆర్టిస్టులు మనకి ఇండియా నుంచి వస్తున్నారు. ఇట్స్ ఏ నాన్ స్టాప్ కామెడీ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్, సింగింగ్ అండ్ కామెడీ షోస్. సో మీకు తప్పకుండా ఇది టికెట్స్ అవి ఆన్లైన్లో దొరుకుతున్నాయి Allen IST వెబ్సైట్లో. tantex.org కనుక సందర్శించినట్టయితే మీరు టికెట్స్ అవి అక్కడ తీసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ అండ్ ఎంజాయ్ ద షో ద నెక్స్ట్ వీక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ మోర్ టైమ్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ గివింగ్ us this opportunity one more time.
The next group is B400 group. The first prize goes to B401. Can you all come to the stage, please? This group belongs to Arya Dance School, and the teacher is Vanita Patel. Now there is some secret she is hiding from every one of us. I don't know what she gave to all these children before they walked in on the stage. Maybe chocolates, Coke, some drink she has given. Because they were full of energy, and it was very, very coordinating. Each one of them coordinated well. Name it, costume, energy, vibration, everything was awesome. More than anything, the teacher herself must be having a lot of energy in taking all these children. It's not a joke. Managing so many kids is not a joke. I go through every day, so I know what it takes. So I appreciate her effort, and a special mention and appreciation to the teacher more than the children here. The participants are Sanika Agarwala, Serena Bhuvan, Anusha Agarwal, Ahana Malila, Samiksha Mehra, Avni Patel, Asta Kadyan, Sohani Patel, Ifra Aryan, Nandini Patel, Aryana Kutub, Jaya Patel, Neha Nagrupu, Amira Patel, Mehak Kakar, Milli Patel, Anika Tamala, Krishna Vagini, Sohani Gajera, Saloni Mistri, Namrita Madreddy, Maher Sakaria, Sanjana Kalisetti, Shaya Patel. The second prize goes to B404 from Friends Academy Dance School, and the teacher is Shanti Nyuti. Please come onto the stage. The participants from this group are Shreya Baskarla, Neha Dharmapuram, Mahita Jangiti, Venetia Ingati, Sridevi Gundimira, Vaishnavi Tanda, Prasida Danda, Snigdha Ileshwarupu. The last group, SC, classical solo dance music altogether. The toughest group we had to judge, because if everything was solo, each one was better than the other. So we had no idea what we should do. If it was in our hands, we would have given prizes to each and every participant in the group. Amazing, very, very well done. All the kids did very well in the group. But still, we had to choose only 3. Very narrow escape, the rest. Maybe 0.2, 0.1, 0.5. That was the difference. So the first prize goes to SC 115. Bhumika Kumar. And the teacher is Jayanti Gattaraju. The expressions was amazing. The energy was very... Then the second prize goes to SC 114. Apurva Bhalakali, Natyanjali Kuchipudi Dance School, Srilata Suri student. Is she here? I thought young Srilata Suri was on stage when she was dancing. Before I announce, we are supposed to give only 3 prizes in this group, but we decided to give the 4th one also. So the 3rd prize is SF 118. Tanya Damle. The 3rd prize goes to Miss Tanya Damle.